Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Colchester local and long distance movers near me. Relocation of more than 50 miles is usually considered long distance. You'll need a detailed plan and a sound awareness of the route networks to get to your location with all of your stuff intact. Our drivers are familiar with the road network and topography and can devise a strategy to get you there quickly. You can relax knowing that when we handle your relocation, you will get your money's worth. Perhaps you're wondering if we provide local moving services. Yes, we do. We are the ideal moving company for you to relocate locally without causing any damage to your belongings. Our hourly fees are between $30 and $40, so they're pretty reasonable. During the relocation process, you can contact our movers and drivers to make plans for the relocation. They will also listen to your suggestions on how your belongings should be moved. 3 Movers is a customer-focused and cost-effective company. We are also available whenever you require our assistance. Not being able to reach the moving company you hired can be frustrating, but we can assure you that won't ever be the case with us. We can assure you that we will be available. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Colchester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.